Have you ever walked into a beautiful room and wondered, who designed this? What if you could be the person creating spaces that inspire, comfort, and transform lives? At the Maven School of Interior Decoration and Design, our online certificate in interior design and decoration gives you the practical skills to turn your creativity into real design solutions. Whether you're a complete beginner, a career changer, or simply passionate about beautiful interiors, this course is designed for you. Learn everything from design principles and color theory to space planning, client presentations, budgeting, styling, and building a professional portfolio through practical, project-based learning. By the end of the program, you'll have the confidence, practical skills, and portfolio to begin your journey as an interior designer. Master the art and business of interior design with our comprehensive certificate in interior design and decoration. Gain practical, industry-ready skills, build a professional portfolio, and take the first step towards a rewarding career in interior design. Your future in interior design starts with a single step. Start a rewarding career today.